At Higdon Plastic Surgery, we specialize in a really curated experience for our patients. We really try to offer the highest level of care. We offer you the full gamut of cosmetic surgery, from breast surgery to facial surgery to body surgery to extremity surgery, even hair restoration. Another important part of our practice here at Higdon Plastic Surgery is our med spa experience. We offer an array of different services, from skincare to facial resurfacing and other skin resurfacing methods, as well as our injectables practice, such as Botox and fillers. We offer that to give a complete cosmetic surgery experience to all of our patients here at our practice. Here at Higdon Plastic Surgery, we're committed to your satisfaction. We hope to exceed your expectations. Starting with our consultations, we listen. We want to hear what you want to achieve, not what we see or what we would do. And we take all of those things and put them together to take what you want and what we know how to do and make the best fit for what you want to have for your final result.
Here at Higdon Plastic Surgery, you're going to find that we know our patients, we love our patients, and we continue to take care of our patients here. I'm very proud of this practice, and Dr. Higdon has worked very hard for this. And we as a family love our patients. It just brings us so much pride to take care of people. We have patients walk in the door who have just been diagnosed with breast cancer, to patients walking in for a cosmetic procedure, and all these patients mean so much to us, and it is a joy for us to be able to take care of them.
So whether it's your breast augmentation or your tummy tuck after perhaps weight loss and having children, or facial rejuvenation as you age, I hope to be your plastic surgeon for your entire life so I can continue a relationship. For me, the most meaningful part of doing what I do is the patient experience, seeing you as you go through this journey and being a part of that and celebrating that together.